Peace be on you, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we're taking Unit 1, Vocabulary Words, okay, in Oxford Discover. Let's start. Bismillah. In this unit, we will talk about some animals which are extinct. منقرضين. Let's start. The first vocabulary word is dodo. The dodo is a bird which is extinct. It became extinct. I'll show you the dodo. This is the dodo. Let's read the example. Dodos were birds that lived a long time ago and couldn't fly. Let's move to the second word. The second word is elephant bird. An elephant bird, yes, it's extinct too. It became extinct. It's منقرضة. Okay, it was a very tall and too heavy bird. It was a tall and heavy bird. It was too heavy to fly. It couldn't fly. It resembles the ostrich. You know the ostrich, النعامة? The elephant bird, it resembles the ostrich. I'll show you the elephant bird. On the left, you will find the elephant bird. On the right, this is the ostrich, okay? So, elephant birds resemble ostriches, but they are heavier. They are bigger. They are taller, okay? Let's move to the third word. Okay, the third word is quagga. A quagga is an animal. It resembles the zebra, but it is extinct now. Let me show you the quagga. This is the quagga. You can Google anything, you'll find it, inshallah, God willing. Okay, let's move to the fourth word, sea wolf. This is the sea wolf, and it is extinct too. Yes, it doesn't exist anymore. مش موجود. It is extinct. It became extinct. It became منقرض. بقى منقرض. Okay. Here the example is sea wolves lived in the ocean and looked like sea lions. They looked like sea lions. Okay. The fifth word is woolly mammoth. You can see the mammoth here on this page, and I'll Google it for you right now. This is the woolly mammoth. Woolly means has wool. صوف. مصوف يعني it has a lot of wool. Woolly is something which has a lot of wool. صوف. Woolly mammoths were related to elephants, okay? They were كانوا related to elephants. كان ليهم علاقة بالelephants يعني ولاد عم يعني, okay? Let's move to the sixth word. The sixth word is extinct. When an animal or a plant is extinct, it doesn't exist anymore. What animals don't exist anymore? What animals are extinct or منقرضين? Dodos, elephant birds, quagga, sea wolves, woolly mammoths, right? All of these animals are extinct. They became extinct. أصبحوا منقرضين. None are alive today. None are alive today. Okay, the seventh word is survive. Survive is to live, to continue living, to continue living. Okay, تبقى على قيد الحياة. Can you survive without water? تقدر تبقى على قيد الحياة without من غير water? No. After few days, we would die. If we didn't drink water, we would die. After few days, we won't survive. We wouldn't survive. We wouldn't survive. مش هنبقى على قيد الحياة. Okay? Okay, let's move to the eighth word. Exploit. To exploit something is to use it unfairly, in an unfair way, in a bad way. You use it a lot that it finishes. When you exploit something, you use it a lot. You ruin it because of using it badly, because of using it unfairly, بشكل ظالم, استغلال. To exploit is to يستغل. Okay? Let's read the example in Oxford. Some people unfairly exploit animals, بيسيئوا استغلالهم for their fur. You know that elephants are exploited. Elephants, الأفيال, are exploited because of their tusks. Because of their tusks. Not because of their tusks, because hunters want to take their tusks, so they hunt them a lot. The hunters hunt, الصيادون بيصطادوا, hunters hunt, بيصطادوا elephants in a very unfair way. They use elephants unfairly. They exploit animals. بيستغلوا الأفيال. They hunt them. They hunt a lot of them that they will become extinct like this one day. هينقرضوا. Okay? And that's why to take their tusks, الأنياب بتاعتهم. To take their tusks. Okay? So, don't exploit animals. Don't exploit anything. Okay? Don't use things unfairly. Number 9. The ninth word is endangered. Endangered means مهدد بالانقراض. To be threatened. Threatened of being extinct. To be threatened, مهدد, of being extinct. A lot of animals are on the list of endangered animals. A lot of animals, حيوانات كتير, are on the list, على قائمة the list of endangered animals. الحيوانات المهددة بالانقراض. Like tigers, pandas, I believe giraffes and elephants too. Let's read the example. Polar bears are in danger of becoming extinct. Are in danger, في خطر من أن يكونوا منقرضين, of becoming extinct. They are endangered animals. When an animal is in danger of becoming extinct, it is endangered. Endangered. We have to protect this animal as well as all the other animals. We have to protect wildlife. We have to protect our planet. We have to protect, لازم نحمي everything on our planet, right? Especially endangered creatures المخلوقات اللي هي مهددة بالانقراض endangered. Polar bears are on the list too. Polar bears الدببة القطبية are endangered animals. They may become extinct soon if we didn't protect them. لو احنا ما حميناهمش. Okay? But why do animals become endangered? Why? ليه بيبقوا مهددين بالانقراض? Why? Let me tell you. Humans, unfortunately, humans البشر hunt some animals for their fur. They hunt بيصطادوا بعض الحيوانات because of or for their fur الفروة بتاعتهم and other animals for their tusks like elephants. And also human beings, they exploit some plants like bamboo. Okay? What will happen when we exploit نسيء استغلال the bamboo plant? Which pandas feed on? Pandas feed on bamboo. بتاكل البامبو. What will happen when we exploit the bamboo plant? Pandas won't find their suitable portions. الكمية المناسبة ليها. Pandas will starve. هتموت من الجوع. Pandas will starve because they couldn't find their food. They couldn't find the bamboo. Okay? So, when we exploit bamboo, the bamboo, pandas will not find their food, which is bamboo. They will starve and die. Okay? And that's why pandas are endangered too. Okay, what else do humans do? Humans destroy the habitats. The habitat is the natural place where the animal lives. Okay? Human beings, unfortunately, a lot of them, they destroy, بيدمروا the habitats where the animals live. So, the animals don't find a place to live. They move. Some of them move. They go to another place. Move, بيمشوا. They go to another place, but they don't find anywhere else to live. They don't find their food too because they moved. They can't find a place to live, a shelter, مأوى. They can't find their food, the food they need, so finally they die too. Okay? And by time they become endangered. And if we didn't protect those endangered animals and protect their habitats and food, they will become extinct too. Okay? So, and that's why we have to not just protect the animals themselves, but we have to protect their habitats, the natural places, the natural homes of animals, الأماكن اللي بتعيش فيها, the natural places, the natural homes of animals. Okay? Let's move to the 10th word, which is habitat. We have just said that the habitat is the natural home of the animal. And we have just said that we have to protect the habitat of the animal, right? As to protect the animal itself. And finally, to protect our planet. our كوكب. Okay, let's read the 10th example. African lions live in the grasslands في المناطق العشبية. It is their habitat. Who can tell me the habitat of the polar bear? الدب القطبي. The habitat of the polar bear is the polar region, I believe, right? the Arctic. Polar regions, المناطق القطبية, are the habitat of polar bears. Okay, let's see the 11th word, which is species. Species. I know that its spelling is S-P-E-C-I-E-S, but it's pronounced species, because C-I-E, we pronounce it she. C-I-E, she. Write it. C-I-E, she. It's pronounced like this. And C-I-A is sha. And C-I-O is sh. Okay? Anyway. So, species or أنواع, kinds, types. You know that when I say species of animals, species of birds, species of birds is أنواع الطيور. Species of animals, أنواع الحيوانات. Okay? Let's read the 11th example. Many different species of birds live in nature reserves. Nature reserves. A nature reserve is محمية طبيعية. Nature reserve. محمية طبيعية. Many different species, أنواع كتير of birds, من الطيور, live in nature reserves, as well as many different species of animals now. Okay, in Africa, there are many nature reserves where a lot of species of animals live. A lot of species of animals and birds live. Okay? Let's move to the 12th word, which is sanctuaries. A sanctuary is a safe place for the animal to live, where no hunters can hunt the animal. مفيش صيادين يقدروا يصطادوا the animal. Okay? It can live safely. The animal, the endangered animal, الأنيمال مهدد بالانقراض, can live safely and reproduce, يتكاثر, in the sanctuary. Okay? Governments provide sanctuaries for endangered animals to reproduce, to live and reproduce, and not to be extinct. Let's read the 12th sentence. Endangered animals can live safely in sanctuaries. Okay. I hope you understood the words, as well as I hope you can put them in sentences. Try to put them in sentences. You can use Google. It's okay. But the most important is to understand the words and study them by heart. Study them very well, okay? Study them by heart and put them just in simple sentences. Okay? See you soon حبايبي. السلام عليكم حبايبي. في أمان الله. See you next time.